Alright guys, have a good day everyone there, right? Okay, so this is Mr. Faisal there, right? Okay, so for these lessons basically, okay, I want to focus more on our observation exercise, okay, which is a lot of people take for granted with this exercise because this is the most important and the foundations that develop basically our understanding while we actually develop our skills of drawings there. This is not about styles, this is all about techniques, okay, the right kind of techniques that everyone should develop, okay, from the early stage before they want to design or develop any kind of techniques that move toward to any kind of style that they want, like anime, manga, cartoon, right? Okay, kind of styles there, okay, or super realistic kind of styles of drawings there, okay. So this is the thing that really important, right? How to get a very great coordination between your eyes, your mind and hands together to work together, okay, in order to develop that kind of flows and also develop that kind of detail kind of understanding how basically the structures and the element of those kind of structures are going to be work. Okay, it's a part of those elements and the principle of design at the same time, okay. So we try to develop all these kind of coordinations together, okay, before you're going to develop any kind of advanced techniques in the futures there. So for example there, okay, if I want to draw my own face using this kind of exercise, okay, so that means when I draw, okay, I didn't actually look at the papers, I look at those cameras right here. So I'm going to put my hands over here. So while I'm drawing myself here right now, so I'm going to develop that kind of movement of flows, even though you cannot actually see, okay, the quality of drawings right here, because those are the things is not important right now. Okay, one of the most important thing that I try to challenge myself over here is try to develop the flows of my hair, top of the head there, okay, before I'm going to develop basically what we call that the whole complete of drawings over here. Okay, this is one of the exercise that I actually have been trained by my own gurus there, okay, and also they are going to be documented also in most of the basics drawings kind of books there, okay, if you can take a look, right? Okay, so right now when I draw there basically, right, okay, I'm going to draw and I'm focused on the cameras itself, so I'm not looking at my drawings for the entire time, but I actually using my eyes and hands together to move, all right, towards to the areas that I want to draw there, okay, that I want to study there, okay, which is I'm going to start to draw my ears, right? Even though this is basically very challenging, guys, okay, for those who actually doesn't experience this kind of exercise. This is one of the exercise that which is I'm going to improvise, because normally we are not going to do this kind of drawings like this, okay. We are going to do entirely in a different kind of way, but it's almost the same when it comes to study basically the whole structures over here. So if you take a look right now, okay, when I draw my own faces, okay, I'm drawing my mouth like now, and my beard a little bit there here. I'm saying to you guys, okay, this is not going to be easy there, right? Okay, but if you succeed with this kind of understanding of those what we call that study slowly basically the structures itself, right? I can try to draw my neck but in a different kind of position there, because it's very hard basically to understand and how to cooperate with, okay, to coordinate all this kind of experience there, okay, to draw in the right way there, okay. But what I've done right now basically, I try to study myself using this kind of continuous line drawings, contour line drawing exercise, we name it, and blind drawings kind of techniques, okay. So I think I already complete this kind of drawings here. You guys can see the result, okay. The result of these drawings is not all about the perfections, but it's all about how actually we are going to develop our understanding here first. This is the foundations there, guys, okay. If you saw a lot of people can draw well, okay, the artists basically, the designers, right, illustrators there, okay, not because they actually have the talent, okay, because they have developed that kind of understanding by looking at things in the right way. There's a lot of kind of exercise that we can develop from here. Alright, okay, we can improvise, we can actually manage to modify it, okay. But this is something that I want to give you guys in the early stage, okay. The importance of this kind of techniques to develop a person actually from zero knowledge of understanding, if they actually follow exactly what I said, what we actually going to develop from here, okay, in the first stage, right, okay, because this happened to me there, guys, okay, even I can draw well at the time, right, okay, but when I learned this kind of techniques, they changed my life, okay, the whole 360 degrees of my life, okay. I actually, right, have developed a very tremendous kind of what we call that understanding from there, right, okay, and also from a lot of exercise that we developed from here, there, okay, like tons of sketchbooks there, okay, that actually have been invested my time to work on there, okay. I kind of felt like I can actually develop my own kind of way of working, and I can independently can develop my own style at the same time, okay. So thank you very much, guys, for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next videos, and see you guys also in our lecture class, okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.